Child development refers to how your child is supposed to learn, play, speak, or act at a certain age. So, your Mickey baby is back once again. In this video, you're gonna get the idea what your 40 to 42 months old baby can do. Let me first speak about social emotional milestones. At this age, they are like monkeys. They quickly learn from others and copy the same. Miggy saw one baby walking on the slide just like this, and he is doing the same. At this age, they take turn in games and understand the idea of belonging like mine, his or her. They show concern for a crying friend. Miggy cannot see his loved one upset. He goes and kisses them and try to boost them up. Good morning.
Good morning.
Miggy, when we wake up, what do?
We brush the teeth, eat breakfast, study, and when we are there, play. And again study, then again play.
They can now very well remember their daily routine. They may also get upset with major changes in routine. So it's now time to set a proper routine for them. We must give them reasoning for simple activities like why we must wash hand, why we must brush teeth. Why we brush teeth?
Our teeth be healthy and everything goes in the sink and we become strong. Then our teeth will be strong and healthy.
Yeah, correct. They can now put on and off their clothes by themselves. But they are still not so perfect. It is possible that sometimes they put both their legs in one pant hole.
Mama.
The average weight for boys should be 14.6 to 16.7 kgs and for girls 14.1 to 16 kgs. You can also check out the height in the chart. Now let's move on to language communication milestones. Now they are amazing storyteller.
Once upon a time there were mommy giant teddy bear and baby. Teddy bear was small. Mommy. Then mommy said yes. I want to go to badminton. Then
I want to go to
badminton
area.
Yeah.
And the amazing story continued. If you want to know the complete story that Miggy made, do comment me below. They can now understand the word like in, out and under. They can follow 2 to 3 steps instruction. They can name most familiar things. They can also say their first name, age and gender. They can name a friend. They can say words like I, me, we and you. They can communicate with 2 to 3 sentences. Now let's move on to learning, thinking and problem solving milestones. They can now build a tower of more than 6 blocks. They can operate toys with buttons, levers and moving parts. Can do 3 to 4 pieces puzzles. They can screw and unscrew jar lids. They can also turn the door handle. They can now make standing, sleeping and slanting line. When you are teaching them writing, they are not gonna follow your instruction all the time.
I made very big line.
Why did you make very big line?
I like.
No, make a standing line in this
Read
box.
this.
Make a standing line and show me.
Read this.
First you make a standing line. They can turn book pages one at a time. They can draw a circle with the help of a pencil or a crayon, but the circle is not gonna be perfect. Like you can see, the lines are not perfect too. Well, if you wanna know in detail the syllabus of what you should be teaching your 3-year plus baby, you can check out the video in the description box given below. And yeah, you can also check out the video on how to deal with your mischievous baby. Now that's it for the video. To know the further growth and development of your 3 to 4 years old baby, keep subscribing my channel with the bell button hit so that you don't miss the video when I upload. Thanks for watching.